Friday PM, last Friday of the week. We're going to move it stuck in. I'm telling you now, the celebrations is going to happen tonight. We're celebrating Yom Kippur, Halley's Comet, the price of cholesterol's come down, there's meat, whatever you want. Your girlfriend's got a baby by the garden boy's cousin, Nunsikalelo. If that's what make you happy and make you celebrate on this Friday, that's what you're going to do. Now, just last thing. When a gooses go to the gym, now chick is lekker man, she's going to the gym, she's wanting to get fit. This woman what go in the tightest pants whatever you saw in your whole life. And then they take their tops and they tie it around their waist. Now my baby, if you're a big fatty, we know you're a fatty. We don't have to see your bum to know you're a fatty. The first thing what a oak thinks when he saws you put a top around your bum is that you got a fat bum. It don't matter what you got a fat bum. If you got a fat bum, you got a fat bum. The same as if you're ugly, you celebrate. You're ugly. It's what God gave you, ugly face, small ears, no calf muscles, hung like an amoeba. I don't know. You got a big bum, you got a big bum. Hiding your big bum doesn't mean what people don't know you've got a big bum. Please. Yes, so Cherry said go running, even the lucky gooses. What could be modeling for Farmers Weekly? Put a top around their waist. It's such a ridiculous thing, really. Also, here's another, I'm not even talking about the gooses. Guys, if you're going Bliksman's bald, you're going bald. Hair transplants in your pip. Hair transplants. How vain is you if you need hair transplants? It's just celebrate the fact that you're going in. Now you don't have to cut that. Instead of paying 120 rand to the Pakistani barber, now you're paying 114 rand because you don't have a landing strip on the top or a helix copper. But anyway, so actually going bald, please man, for goodness, and stop shaving your head. If you're going bald and you shave your head, now you're attracting the people what can see that oak's going bald. Nobody shaves their head because they like that hairstyle. You shave your head because you don't want people to know that you're going bald. But every single person on the planet knows you're going bald. Bliksems people, you know, women and men, julle maak my, ek rol sommer die kar vandag. But anyway, accept your baldness, accept your big bum. It doesn't matter. Nobody cares. It's like if you, when we were at school, we used to drive a rusty old car. We were so embarrassed by the car. I used to tell my father, drop us off like 7 kilometers from a school, we'll walk. And actually, nobody cares about your rusty car. You got a rusty car, you got a rusty car. Don't worry for that thing. You know, I mean,